Tired of chasing signatures? Let's streamline your agreement process and learn how to get documents signed by multiple parties using Docusign. First, log into your Docusign account, then click on the New button to start a new envelope. Now, upload the document you need signed. You can upload directly from your computer, or use a pre-existing template if you have one. Next, at your recipients, enter the name and email address of each person who needs to sign the document. Make sure to set the signing order if it matters who signs first. Now comes the important part, placing the fields. Drag and drop signature, initial, date, and other relevant fields onto the document for each recipient. Be sure to assign each field to the correct signer using the drop-down menu above. Once you've placed all the necessary fields for each signer, carefully review everything. When you're satisfied, click the Send button. Docusign will then send an email to each recipient with a link to the document. Each person can then securely review and sign, and you'll be notified when everyone has completed their part. Now, you've successfully sent a document for multi-party signing.